Chapter 2, The Search for the Cure. For a Cure. Topic Unit 3, The Source. Well, the mom was looking in a book and she noticed something. So she told her husband, look at this. We can go to a priest and he can help us. Yes, we can. Really? Come on, let's go. Let's not wait 6 months. So they prepared to go to the priest. Finally, they went to the church. There was a big cross on top with a large line of people waiting to see the priest. They walk in and there's just rows and rows of people praising and worshiping. They're all praying and the line slowly moved forward and finally they got to the priest. The priest looked at the little baby eagle. And the priest was an eagle and he started chanting. He grabbed the little boy's beak and tried to bend it. And then he let go of the beak, but it was still straight. Well, let's try again. Well, have confidence. Read the Bible, pray continuously, and you'll see that your baby will change and become an eagle with a hooked beak. Well, the priest's words didn't help, so the family decided to go to a medicine man. Well, they went to the medicine man and they sat down in the hot sun waiting for the medicine man to do his medicine. He got rattlesnake tails and different kinds of flowers to mash up for a medicine, some sort of potion to help. All day they waited in the sun. And then the medicine man started chanting. Finally, the day was almost over, and the medicine man gave the little baby the potion, but when the baby tasted it, it was horrible. But his beak didn't change. It was still straight. Well, think positively. Don't worry. Go home and take this potion every day and every night, and you'll see that your baby's beak will change. Well, they tried and they tried for 6 long months, but nothing happened. The baby's beak was still straight. Well, they took him to the doctor and the doctor examined him, but he was stuck. He didn't know why the baby's beak was straight. So the doctor suggested surgery, but the parents said it was too expensive and they didn't want to go through with it. So they went to another doctor, but it was expensive as well. And then they went to various different doctors, but they were all expensive. Wherever they went, they just couldn't find a good price. So they went to the ENT, the ear, nose, and throat doctor. They went there and the doctor put wires in the baby's beak. And the baby had to raise his hand, either on the right or the left side, wherever it was that he felt the sensation from the wires. Well, this is not a bird, this is not an eagle, said the doctor. Well, then the doctor suggested to the parents another option. He said they could take him to a school that would teach the baby how to be an eagle. He said he can go to school and learn there, and eventually he will be an eagle. The parents were so excited. They said, "Do you really have that?" And the doctor said yes, and gave him a flyer. And the parents were ecstatic.
That's it. I was just kidding.